Are you looking for the best camera for YouTube in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best camera for YouTube. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III digital camera. The latest incarnation of Canon's G7X series ups the video ante by adding 4K recording and a microphone socket. These slot in nicely beside the large 1-inch sensor, superb image stabilization, tilting touchscreen, and USB charging to make this a very capable compact for making YouTube content. What's more, it comes with YouTube live streaming support out of the box, so tether it to your smartphone or a Wi-Fi network and you can broadcast live to the world. The camera is sturdily built, sits nicely in the hand, and the touchscreen controls feel responsive. Despite the microphone socket, there's no hot shoe, however, so you'll have to mount your mic elsewhere, while we felt the contrast detection autofocus system was a little less advanced than the hybrid setups on rivals like the Sony ZV-E1. Still, YouTubers looking for a pocket-sized camera should definitely consider this a worthy alternative. Up next in the 4th place is the Panasonic Lumix ZV-E1 mirrorless camera. Many YouTubers don't need a full-frame camera, but if you do want to record YouTube videos with a larger sensor, we highly rate the Panasonic ZV-E1. For starters, it weighs less than the Panasonic GH6, yet still feels solid in the hand. We also found it intuitive to control in testing, aided by a crisp, vari-angled touchscreen. All that's really missing is a tally light. From our review, the Panasonic ZV-E1 excels when shooting video. It produces excellent 6K 30p footage for YouTube, capturing rich colors and wide dynamic range. Usefully, 6K is recorded using the full area of the sensor, which means you can crop content for different uses within your videos. At long last, Panasonic has introduced phase detection autofocus for video on the Lumix ZV-E1. We particularly like the ability to change speed and sensitivity, which allows for smooth focus shifts. Effective image stabilization also means it's useful for shooting YouTube content handheld. 4K 60p comes with a restrictive 1.5x crop, while features such as wireless IP streaming are kept back for the more expensive Lumix ZV-E1. All the same, we rank the Lumix ZV-E1 as a convincing hybrid package for YouTubers. The 3rd product on our list is the Sony ZV-E1 digital camera for content creators. The Sony ZV-E1 delivers pretty much everything the roaming YouTuber needs, all in a compact package. Sony's class-leading real-time tracking and real-time IF systems keep you in focus as you move around the frame, while the bright lens and large 1-inch sensor size mean clear, crisp images in most conditions, as well as attractive background bokeh, a rarity on pocket-sized cameras. You'll find thoughtful touches everywhere. The hot shoe can accommodate an external mic or LED light without blocking the side-flipping touchscreen. The video record button is larger than on regular compacts, and a built-in ND filter helps you shoot smooth movement on brighter days. It even offers a feature aimed specifically at reviews-based YouTubers, Product Showcase, which quickly alters settings for optimal shooting of objects. It's not completely flawless. We found the touchscreen controls a little limited, and Sony's stuck with the aging microUSB rather than a more versatile USB-C port. The video stabilization also falls just short of the best. The ZV-E1F is a simpler grab-and-go option, while the ZV-E10 is a clear step up for vloggers. But if you want the best balance of price, performance, and portability, the Sony ZV-E1 is the top premium compact for YouTubers. Second on our list is the Sony ZV-E1. If you want a compact YouTube camera that's easy to use, the Sony ZV-E1 should sit high on your list. The ZV-E10 trumps it for outright portability, but as the smallest, lightest full-frame camera with image stabilization, the ZV-E1 is arguably the ultimate combination of convenience and quality for shooting YouTube content on the move. During our review, the ZV-E1 captured crisp 4K 30p video in a range of shooting scenarios. Its in-body image stabilization also proved impressive, delivering fantastically smooth footage that's ideal for run-and-gun YouTubers who want to shoot handheld without a gimbal. The ZV-E1 also uses AI smarts to make life easier for solo content creators. Auto-framing can reliably track subjects across a scene, which leaves less to edit later. With no cooling vents and only a single card slot, the ZV-E1 isn't the perfect YouTube camera for power users. It was also a little tricky in testing to see the touchscreen when shooting outside. But for individual creators who want a full-frame tool that's clever and easy to use, the ZV-E1 is a top choice for 4K filming. Finally, the top product on our list is the Panasonic Lumix GH6. Panasonic's GH5 Mark II is an excellent camera for creating 4K content, with the added bonus of letting you live stream straight to YouTube. The GH6 loses the streaming option, but improves pretty much every other spec. Equipped with a 25-2MP micro four thirds sensor, it can shoot 7K footage at 30 FPS. Overkill for casual YouTubers, its arsenal of 10-bit video modes provides huge flexibility for those who like to color grade in post. Usefully, ProRes and H.265 formats are supported by both the GH6 and YouTube. The V23 firmware update also enhanced its external recording capabilities to include 12-bit Blackmagic RAW, and added support for 4K 120p via HDMI. Slightly larger than the GH5 Mark II, the GH6 remains a relatively compact tool for recording YouTube videos outside a studio. Forced fan cooling also means unlimited recording time's handy if you're targeting YouTube's 12-hour cap for verified accounts. During our tests, we liked the robust and familiar build. We also appreciated a few useful additions versus other Lumix models. The free angle touchscreen also tilts. There are tally lights front and back, plus a record button on the front. An algorithmic upgrade has also boosted stabilization performance. Provided you can do without phase detection, autofocus, and live streaming, the GH6 is a portable creative powerhouse for YouTubers. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.